And here we go. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this routine starts towards the back of the dance floor. The leader and follower are hand in hand. Leader, you're going to be on the left side holding your follower in your right hand. Follower, you're on the right side holding your leader in your left hand. Now when the music first starts, we are going to take an 8 count to get towards the middle of the floor. So what this means is you already want to be on the dance floor when the music comes on, so make sure to tell your band or your DJ to wait until you're in your position. So the music starts, we walk forward onto the floor, and we don't have to walk in time with the music. Nick and I are just taking steps every 2 counts. Now on the second 8 count of the intro, the leader is going to stop in their tracks, and then they're going to lead their follower to walk a semicircle around to face them. So follower walks 2, 3, 4, and then on 5, 6, 7, 8, the follower is going to turn counterclockwise or to their left, going 5, 6, 7, 8, and finish facing their leader. So leader, one way you can help your follower do this turn is with your right hand, you're going to sort of pull them back and then draw a counterclockwise circle, let them go, and then catch them around the waist. And leader, you want to try not to hold on to them the whole time, or else the follower is not going to be able to do a full turn. Okay? Now follower, the footwork for this, we just walked around, 2, 3, 4, I'm going to cross my right foot over my left, and then I'm just going to pick up my heels, keep my weight on the ball of my feet, finish facing my leader. Now to end this intro, again, leader, you want to make sure your right arm is around your follower's waist or their hips. Follower, your right hand is on your leader's chest. Leader, your left hand is on your follower's. We are now going to do this intro facing the back. This is a good time to get another view and more details, and you can also try it with us whenever you're ready. And here we go. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and a 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.